Welcome to Android Pro Tips. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset Oppo A15 in different ways. Follow AndroidProTips.com to get more Android tips. We provide two reset methods. First method, hard reset via recovery mode. Second method, reset with Google Find My Device. Before reset your mobile battery must be above 50%. Remove SD cards and SIMs. Back up your Android mobile data if possible. Power off your mobile by holding the power button. Next, press and hold volume down button and power button. After that, release both buttons when you see a logo. Then, select language. Next select wipe data. Use volume buttons to scroll down and the power button to confirm that. Then, enter verification code. Next, choose Format Data option and tap on the OK. Now, you will see wiped successfully screen on your mobile. Finally, tap on the OK. Follow AndroidProTips.com to get more Android tips. Hard reset with Google Find My Device. This is the best method to reset your Android phone remotely. This method useful when you lose your phone or not able to access your mobile. This method also deletes all your Android phone data. After your device has been erased, you can't locate it. You can only use this method if you already added Gmail account to your phone and having an active internet connection. If your device is offline, erasing will begin when it next comes online. Take another phone or PC and open any browser. After that, visit Google Find My Device. We provide link in description. Check description for more information. Sign in using the Google login credentials which are used on your phone. After login, there will be three different options: play sound, secure device and erase device. Now click on the 2x erase device option. Again enter the email and password. Next, you will see Erase All Data menu. Then tap on the Erase option. Well done, you are successfully reset your mobile. Subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon to get notification. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment.